Yo, what's up creatives? Today I want to show you how I'm creating 30 days worth of content in just 30 minutes. Yes, 30 days worth of content in 30 minutes using ChatGPT. Everybody's talking about ChatGPT. Everybody's making videos about ChatGPT. And I was hesitant to make this because I don't want to ride and be part of the bandwagon, but it's an important tool. It's something I'm using in my business every single day. And if you're not using it in your business every single day as a tool, it's like basically screwing in with a screwdriver versus using a drill. This is gonna help you produce a lot more content and really good quality content. So many of you guys have probably heard in the past, I do something called the Business Minute. One of the ways that I'm using ChatGPT to help me really get more of my time back and buy time is through AI and using ChatGPT specifically. So just as an example of that, you can see here, Business Minute number 50. I have price is what you pay, value is what you get. This is a quote by Warren Buffett. And then I talk about being a business owner, and then I give advice on being a business owner, and then not being afraid. And then I do my typical sign off. So I do these business minutes every single day, almost 7 days a week. And my goal is to basically produce a book of these. And I have them based on certain categories and topics that I'm not going to share just for certain reasons, but it's really important for you to see how fast I can create these. So I'm going to go over here down onto my ChatGPT, where I've been creating stuff for a while. You can see a lot of different things that I'm talking about. And I have these things called my business minutes. Now this is proprietary to me, but I'm gonna say, write a business minute about not bashing a competitor. This is a topic that came up for me recently. There we go. And you can see here, it's producing this entire thing in a matter of seconds. I'm curious, if you're a creative and you're using ChatGPT or you're using Midjourney, you're using any of these AI tools, I would love to know about it. Drop a comment down below in the comments and let me know if you're using these tools yet in your business, and if you're not, what's stopping you? If you need me to make a tutorial on this, I'd love to do that for you. I appreciate you following this channel, so let me know if you need my help. All right, so I have this business minute here that it produced. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy this, go up in here, copy. So I need to make a new post. I'm gonna go here to the daily business minute. I'm gonna do business minute. There we go. I'll put the quote in there. I'm gonna add a cover photo. We're gonna use this image. I like this image. And then I'm gonna go ahead and schedule this post. I'm gonna schedule this post for tomorrow. So now I've got that one done, right? I wanna create another one. Create a business minute about social media marketing. There we go. Now, keep in mind, I have taught this thing how to write these posts specifically to exactly what I want, almost word for word. Certain words I don't want it to use, certain words I do want it to use. And so this is really specifically trained based on my teachings of what my business minutes entail. And we're gonna go ahead and create another one. So I'm gonna go ahead and here, hit select space, daily business minute, paste that in there, add a cover. Just use this one. This one's simple and clean. Hit save, schedule post. So I've done 2 posts in just the last couple minutes. Now you can see here, I can say, write me 3 more business minutes. So once you teach ChatGPT how to write something, it'll write it for you. I can literally produce 30 days worth of content in under 30 minutes doing it this way. Each one of these posts. Now I can produce all these. I could just, instead of switching back and forth and doing it that way, I can have it make all of them for me. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. And that makes things a lot faster. But this allows me to do the job very, very quickly. See, sometimes ChatGPT gets a little more challenging. It didn't finish those. So I'm gonna have it rewrite the business minutes above in the proper format. The topics should be leadership, marketing, and sales. That's the key here. Is this is just a tool. It's not gonna be perfect. You gotta take the good with the bad. I can always add that on to the end. Go in here, business minute number 52. All right, so there we go. I use this image, schedule post. You can see here I have all these 13, 14, 15. So there's 3 more days of posts that I've done in about 5 minutes. Now, if you do the math here, if you sat here and did this for an hour, how much content would you be able to produce, especially if you taught this thing how to do it the right way? Is this something that would be helpful for your business? If you think this is helpful, drop a like, drop a subscribe on this channel, but I'm gonna be creating more content around this, how to write social media marketing posts, how to do newsletters, how to do SMS follow-up, how to write email copy. We're gonna be going through all the different uses of ChatGPT and what I'm doing within my agency, my creative agency, my marketing agency, how to capitalize on this to produce more content and really outshine your competitors by using your brand. Your brand is the key here. If you just try to do what everybody else is doing and just do generic stuff with ChatGPT, you're gonna get generic stuff. So we wanna get very specific about how we train and teach ChatGPT to use it properly. So if you're using this for the business, I wanna know. Definitely like, comment down below, drop a comment so I can get to know you. All right, so the last thing I wanna show you here is just some of the other things that I'm doing to use it for social media content. So you can see here, joining the Instagraphics Pro Network, which is a community we have of graphic designers, web designers, and motion designers. I'm having it write email copy. So I'm asking it, create an email inviting graphic designers connected with our LinkedIn to join our Instagraphics Pro community. This is our networking group. So we have a networking group of all these creatives that we're building. So we're using it to help us write these email copies that we're teaching it to write. We have a video script template, so I'm using it to actually write my script templates for the different things that I'm doing. So there's a lot of different uses for this. You can create 30 days worth of content in 30 minutes using ChatGPT. If you have any questions on this, let me know down in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. I'm Adrian Boycell, and as always, keep looking up.